So alright, I have an empty string on my trimmer, Ryobi, and I don't have those refill things anymore. I could use those knives that came with it. I'm going to show how this works. There's arrows on here. When you push those in, you can take this cover off. Should I show this again? Okay, let me show this again. I'm going to zoom in more. Let me see, like this. So here you can see this, there, and there's two. This shows the arrows. I think it spins this way. So you push those in, like this, and then you can take the cap off, basically. And in here now are those little rolls you can buy, or you can refill them yourself. Alright. So, you could also use those knives. The knives go on here like this. You just clip them on, like this. Both there. And then when it spins, you know, you have this rotating knives here. You can see this? So when it spins. Oh, one thing I forgot. Isn't it common sense that you take the battery out? You take the battery out before you work on this end of the trimmer. Alright, so this one comes out the same way. You push in those two buttons and then you can remove it here this way. Alright, now I forgot the size, but I believe this was 2 millimeters. So I bought from some other brand this, what they call the DNA trim thing here. Let me get this out. This is like DNA. They call it DNA because it's shaped like a DNA. It's squirrely. And I'm gonna put this into the roll here. Alright. So I'm going here. This, I don't know if I can show this. There's a little hole there, right? So I plug this in here through the hole. It doesn't go inside, I think. There's no... Can you go all the way in? You can go all the way in, yeah. Interesting. And then the trim line goes this way. And then you have to really tightly... Oh, see, there was not deep enough in here. Let's say you go all the way in here. So now I basically did my own roll. This one we also want to cut. I don't want that to stick out. Right, and now we can insert it again. So, you take the end, the long end, and put it through the only hole there is here on the side, here. There, and then plug this in. Here. There we go. See? And then this comes back on there, like this. And there we go. So this was already pretty too long. It will cut off here at the on its own, right? I help it a little. There. And now we should be good. So if we have the battery in here, we can do a test. Right. There. Let's see how that looks like. Look how far it got out. So because every time you push the button, it comes out like this. every time you stop it, it pulls out a little further. The mechanism in here. I don't know where this piece went, but it's somewhere here in my basement now. And I also have a lot of grass all over the place where I didn't think of that could happen. Oh, so I have to clean up now. But at least you guys know how this works now, how to refill this little spool.